Good morning. Happy Independence Day. It's Bruce with an Arrow Viewpoint. We're at the Ballville Dam in Fremont, Ohio, and it is July 4th. Construction work is not going on today, it looks, which I don't blame them. Coming back to see what they finished up with yesterday. They've got the center section extensions just pretty well all hammered away. Looks like the work on the notch was about where I stopped the last time. We're coming up to the notch. It has been widened and deepened a bit. And we're going to try to fly through here to get my nerve up. Water's rolling pretty good, but it's definitely low water time. And we'll slide through the gap here. See what it looks like up above. Reservoir's still got quite a bit of water in it, but it is draining. Hopefully without too much rain, we can get this thing down to where it belongs so they can finish up the dam removal. And I'm going to take a quick flight downstream as requested by one of our Facebook users. They wanted to see the river down towards the bridge, so we'll head down there for just a few seconds. This is a shorty today, and I'll be back here tomorrow when they get back and start working again. So thanks for watching.